Hello and welcome to Machine Maker. So I am right now at India Warehousing and Logistics Show.
This has been a key exhibition in India when I talk about warehousing and logistics. I've got, majority of the industry who has supported us. Brands coming in from warehousing, from logistics, from supply chain. I've got brands from automation, technology. All these guys have been coming and supporting us. To be honest, having this event under my portfolio, you feel so proud and honored when you see long queues of people waiting outside.
Right.
It feels very good, and for our customers, our partners, it is really important for getting the right footfalls, meeting the right people, key decision makers, and that is what people are getting right now. And I really feel so proud of it.
Tell us about some more expos you have in plan.
We've got our mother show, which is India Warehousing Show, which happens every year in Delhi. So this year, next year, it's going to be in June
Okay.
at Yashubhumi, which is the new exhibition, venue. I've got people coming in from overseas also.
Oh.
There are a lot of brands who come and participate in our event. In IWS, there is a lot of support from the government. We've got secretaries and joint secretaries who come over to the event. We've got a very robust conference happening at the IWS, and there is a major involvement from the government.